Hey guys, it's me, Ivy. I am so sorry. I've been busy, working Tuesdays and don't have energy, or have chores to do around the house when I get home, or just do like cleaning every day. So I'm so sorry. But anyways, I have my Birchbox here, so let's get started. So I got my Birchbox um Monday. Anyways, it came really fast. So, it's one of the drawer ones. So, those are cool. They come in handy. This is the thing for this month. So, let's get started. I'm just going to take everything out. Alright. So, we have here this guy. It's a eye gel. It hydrates your under eyes and all that goodness. It also cools so it depuffs. Full size is I was gonna say 24, $42. So it's just this little guy. I wish it was a little bit bigger. That's really tiny. That's gonna run out really fast, but that's okay. Don't need that. Next is this. It's also I have my mom. I give this to my mom. Cause it's anti-aging. But this is leave-in conditioner. It moisturizes let's see. It's for dry, fine, and damaged hair. It detangles, or something like that. So it moisturizes and stuff. So this would be good for my mom because she has dry hair and fine hair too, but that's not for me. So I'll give that to her. Oh, and the full size is 32. Next is this eye primer. This is white primer. For your lashes, I'm gonna give this to my sister because I don't need this. I don't think she needs it, but it's very heavy. There's a lot in here. It's very heavy. Um, so I think if she wants to use this. You know what lash primers do. Full size is 25. And then we have this guy. This guy is a calming day cream. It moisturizes as natural skin, smooth, and it has followed by a PF. Okay, so you had to put this on followed by a PF. Okay. It helps with less redness. I have a little bit of redness in my cheeks. So this is good. I need some more hydrating cream. Next is this guy. This beautiful pink color. Very pretty packaging. This is um pretty filter glossy skin balm. Full size is 32. Oh, and the full size of this guy is 60. Ooh, that's expensive. Anyways, this guy smooth moisturizes, prime matte, melt melts into skin. Oh, melts into skin, leaving behind brightening, and then a nice glow. Lasts all day. Um, apply as last step of your skincare routine. So that's cool. Whoa, that's a. Let me smell. Oh, that went up my nose. Doesn't have a scent, but it's very clear. Okay, last is a perfume because I haven't had a perfume in a while. I'm used to this brand. I have another one. But this one is pure vanilla. Full size is $48. Um, it smells so good. It smells like winter, fall, those type of things. So this is what it looks like. It looks like that, and they also have deodorants too. I think they're all natural. Yeah, because it's pure vanilla. So that's that. So yeah, yeah, healthy deodorant. I probably have this. Oh my god, that'd be so weird if they sent me another one again. Anyways, oh, I want to keep that. Anyways, that's what I got from my Birchbox. I know it wasn't very much. I hope you guys like what I got and like this video. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay, bye guys. Oh, comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more videos. Okay, bye guys.